In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Razorpay. So, whether you're running an online store or just getting started, having a seamless payment option is crucial. Fortunately, integrating Razorpay with Shopify is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, you'll need to navigate to the Settings section. You can find it at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Click on it, and a variety of options will appear. Here, you'll want to select Payments. This area is like the financial hub of your Shopify store, where you can manage how transactions are processed. As you dive into the payment settings, you'll notice a section labeled Supported Payment Methods. This is where you get to decide what payment gateways to offer your customers. To integrate Razorpay, look for its listing and click on Manage that appears nearby. This click will unfold a new set of options specific to Razorpay. Before going any further, you'll need your Razorpay API key ID and API secret. These are critical credentials that will bridge Shopify and Razorpay, enabling them to communicate securely. If you haven't already, you'll need to generate these credentials from your Razorpay account, usually found under the API Keys section. Once you've retrieved your API credentials, go ahead and enter your Razorpay API Key ID and API Secret into the designated fields in Shopify's payment settings. Enter them carefully, as even a small typo can prevent the integration from working smoothly. With your credentials entered, it's time to make things official. Click the Activate button to enable Razorpay as a payment method. This small action signifies a big step. Your Shopify store can now handle payments through Razorpay. It adds a layer of versatility and convenience for your customers, who will have another secure option to make their purchases. In conclusion, ensuring your Shopify store is equipped with Razorpay as a payment option is a smart move. Not only does it offer flexibility, but it also enhances the shopping experience for your customers by providing them with a reliable and straightforward way to complete their transactions. Once activated, be sure to run a few test transactions to confirm everything is operating smoothly. Remember, the ease at which your customers can make payments is directly tied to your success, so taking the time to properly integrate Razorpay can make a significant difference for your online business. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out other useful videos on optimizing your Shopify store.